Hello, and welcome to High Score Lab series on Drupal 8. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the Varbase distribution, and we're going to install it using Composer on the command line. All right, let's get started. Here I already have the Composer command already written out, just so you can see it. It's basically a create project with a var installation profile template. All you have to do is change the project dir name to your directory name that you want to store I'm calling it Vardot, which is the company behind Varbase, but whatever directory name you want to give it for your project, just go ahead and do that, hit enter, and it will fire up Composer and find all the dependencies and download the distribution of Varbase. All right, there it is. Congratulations, you've installed Varbase code from the template, and now we can go ahead and go into the installer. So let's go ahead and go to our web server, my local development environment. Go ahead and click on doc root, which is where the actual code base resides, and then we are dropped into the Varbase installation wizard. We can go ahead and choose our language, hit save, continue. I already have a database set up, so just go ahead and plug in the details for the credentials and save and continue. And then from there, you are going to you're just going to let it install, and it's going to take a little bit of time, so just give it some time for the wizard to complete its task. Alright, now I'm at the configuration site form, so go ahead and fill in the site name. I'm putting Mahalo. Just fill in some credential information, email address, choose your country for your regional settings, and your time zone. I'm going to go ahead and turn off check for updates. I don't need the update module for this example. Go ahead and save and continue. This allows you to do multi-language configuration from the get-go. I'm just going to use English, so go ahead and just hit save continue. And now all the components that come ready to use, you can go ahead and check which ones you want from the Varbase distribution that they include. I'm doing the media hero slider for the front page, but there's carousel, there's a search, the blog, social single sign-on if you want Facebook or Twitter log-on. You also have the API and Google Analytics and Tag Manager right here. So you can choose which ones you want. I'm just going to go ahead and choose one for now, but most people would probably want to choose the majority of them. I'm going to go ahead and assemble and install and let it do its thing. The wizard will complete. Once it finalizes, here you are. It'll take you to the development tools screen where you can choose if you want to install the dev tools. It does tell you how Honeypot was installed. You can configure that to protect your forms from spam bots. Also has library installed, Ace. So you can choose the dev tools if you want. I'm not going to do it here. It's not needed for evaluating. So I'll go ahead and hit continue, and then it'll assemble. And once it's done, we will be dropped into the Welcome to Varbase modal, which gives you a little bit of rundown on it. You can click some of the links if you want to contact Vardot or read some of the documentation for the starter kit. But it's pretty cool. Just go ahead and click get started, and it'll take you into the dashboard, which is also a module that was added during the installation of the profile. So this is just a little wizard showing you a little tour, giving you a guided tour of all the different features and where to find different options under the menu. So you can define your site settings under configuration. You can just go ahead and next and close out of the tour, and we'll end it right there, end tour. Here we can scroll through and see some of the features that they actually show on this landing page here. Media library, flexible bootstrap theme for responsive, administrative dashboard, landing page builder using the layout builder of Drupal 8. So you can actually click on that at the bottom, the little tab that gives you different options for columns, and you can change your layout. Actually, it's using paragraphs, I'm sorry, for the layout for landing pages. And click on dashboard, and here you are. You're in the administration dashboard where you can add the Google Analytics widget and different things that you can add for content on your dashboard here. Let's see, these are some of the other options up here on the menu. You can see that it has the admin menu module, so it gives you all the drop downs, so you can actually navigate through the settings without having to go in to the root of each menu item. So that actually gives you some pretty cool stuff. That's pretty much it. It's kind of cool though, because Varbase, what it does is it comes with more than 100 features and enhancements to the Drupal core as a distribution or installation profile. So you don't need to spend countless and just sometimes meaningless hours customizing a new site from the ground up. They've already pretty much thought about a lot of most of the things that people will add from the get-go. So you can actually drag and drop and build layouts. You got the administration dashboard, all the different cool features that most people would start adding from the core just to hang and put modules onto the core. So they've kind of done that for you. So you can just in one command with Composer install Varbase and then just start decorating it from that. From that. So that's kind of cool. Thank you for watching this video. This was brought to you by High Score Labs. We have many years experience working with Drupal from 6 to 8 and in the future 9. We make custom modules, themes, distributions, installation profiles, also third-party integrations with APIs, and single sign-on, things like that. So if you have any questions or need our services, please reach out. Our email address is listed in the video, and also you can hit us up on LinkedIn or leave a comment on YouTube. Thank you for watching.